How to fix the taskbar not working in your Windows. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to provide you with some most common fixes so you can just try out these in order. So first of all, we can restart our Windows Explorer, which is a quick fix. So you can press Shift plus ESC at the same time, and that should open up a Windows Task Manager. So go ahead and find Windows Explorer here, right click on it and select the option for End Tasks there, or select the option of Restart by going to Properties, and that should also work out for you. And that should fix most frozen or unresponsive taskbars. Apart from that, we can restart from command. For that, what we can do is we can again press Ctrl Shift and ESC, and then we can just go over and look out for the option of running new task. This option right here, click on it, and there just go ahead and type in explorer.exe and hit enter, and once you do so, it will open up this right here, and that should also work out for you. If nothing else, you can run system file check. Once you open up your task manager, we can just go over in there, type in run new task and type in cmd, and you can run it as administrator. You can click on this option called create this task with administrative privileges and click on OK. After that, you can just go and type in sfc /scan now and just go and hit enter. And you just need to wait because this process will take some time, and you can just go and wait for this verification to be completed. Apart from that, you can re-register your taskbar. Open up your taskbar once again, go to run new task, and this time type in PowerShell, and again run as administrator, this one right here, and hit enter. And then just go over and type in this one right here. So just go over and type in this and hit enter, and that should do it. Apart from that, you can look out for Windows Update as well, but usually these are the methods you can follow up for now. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.